Hey everybody, it's Morzak EV here, and today we're talking about the trunk and frunk mats, also known as liners. We bought these off the internet for our Tesla Model 3, and this video shows our experience of buying and installing them. Roll the credits. Welcome to Morzak EV, a channel dedicated to all things electric vehicles, electric vehicle charging, and all related technologies. This video is part of our 2-minute Tesla series, showing you quick modifications and how-tos on your Tesla Model 3. So the trunk and front mats are a great addition and will protect the upholstery in your Tesla Model 3. These liners are made from plastic, making them easy to clean. The ones we went for are aftermarket liners specifically made for the Tesla Model 3. You can buy these from Tesla directly, but they cost hundreds of pounds or hundreds of dollars. These aftermarket liners fit nicely in the car, so they really are tailor-made with no gaps present. They have a decent lip around the edges so any water or dirt will collect in the liners, making it much easier to keep your car clean and staining or damaging the actual upholstery or interior. We purchased these from AliExpress off the interweb for a bargain price of £46 or around $50 odd. They shipped from China and took about 3 weeks to come. We purchased them prior to picking up our Model 3 as we wanted them as soon as possible to protect the boot and frunk when shopping. These actually arrived while we were removing the aero wheel covers and installing the wheel nut cover set. I'll leave a link down below for that video. The trunk and front liners arrived folded, so as you can see there were significant creases, which was a concern. But we laid them out as it was a sunny day, and this really helped the creases quickly disappear after a few minutes warming in the sun. Once the creases started to disappear, it was a simple matter of putting the liners in the car. The liner set came as 3 separate items. For the back there is the main boot liner and the smaller underfloor area of the main boot. Many people keep their cables in this area, but we actually don't do this. We store our charging cable in the frunk and reserve the rear area of the vehicle for shopping instead. Lastly, we installed the front liner. As you can see, the installation is really simple. All the liners we purchased were a really nice fit. I'll leave a link down below as to where we purchased these exact mats from with the Tesla Model 3 logo on them, as some we have seen don't have this. To be honest, there are a lot available online. I would recommend looking around at the deals there are out there and purchase one that has good reviews as well as a good price. So, thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please let us know if there are any other videos you want to see. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications of our future videos, including any which are part of this 2-minute Tesla video series. And until next time, thanks for watching.